Before going into the course, allow me to introduce myself as the course creator. I have got more than 2 decades of diversified experience in manufacturing, in information technology, and education sectors. I have got more than 8 years of experience in conducting trainings on various project management topics such as PMP certification examination course, Microsoft project course, Primavera P6, Agile methodology, and then customized courses according to the corporate request. So far, I got an opportunity to impact thousands of professionals across the globe through these courses. I am also active member in various project management forums and social media. I have reviewed 2 books on project management that got published by renowned publishers. I am holding the credentials PMP certification, PMI ACP certification, Certified Scrum Master certification, and also Six Sigma certification. To know more about me, you can go through my LinkedIn profile. So that is linkedin.com/in/items. Thank you very much for giving me an opportunity to introduce myself, and thank you very much for choosing my course to enhance your skills.